Welcome to the Leadership Conversation with me, Dr. Dennis V. Burke. Let's talk surplus. What is a surplus? A surplus is more than you need. So you think if you need $2 to acquire something and you have $3, after you've acquired the thing, you will have $1 left. You have more than you need. My sister made this point that maintenance is important in all aspects of our lives. Maintenance as in taking time out to exercise your brain, your body, your finances, your emotion, your physical, your biological, your psychological, your mental, your spiritual health. They require maintenance, kind of like putting air in your tire, putting gas in the car, changing the oil. Those are all simple concepts that we've taken from life and applied to the physical things that we have created. And sometimes we miss the fact that these principles are inherent to our well-being. Now, I've considered the fact that over time, when we build wealth, when we build health, spiritual, emotional, and physical, what we're really working towards is building a surplus so that we're not subsisting. We get beyond subsistent living by taking the time out to give, to expand our capacity, our ability beyond what we need to survive. And so when you look out and you frame the things you're going to focus on, I find it helpful to consider the ledger, the balance of what I need to execute fully in whatever endeavor I am pursuing, and also take time to make sure I move enough or some of the resources to a storage place where I'm capturing the surplus in every aspect of our life, in every aspect of my life. More information, more knowledge, so that at any given time, the surplus will enable you to take a rest from the constant activity and grind, and give you the ability to still have what you need to thrive. You can live from your surplus. And if you don't need, when you don't need the surplus in your daily existence, when strategically positioned, that surplus has the ability to produce for itself. It grows and you're not living from it, so that at some point in time, that surplus may now become the basic resource from which you operate. Go forth, do good work. Thank you for listening. I'm Dr. Dennis V. Burke. I look forward to seeing you in another episode of the Leadership Conversation.